Start the exercise with your torso lean back about 10 to 15 degrees. This will put you in a better position to have a better alignment for the lat muscle, and it won't cause any issues with shoulder flexion. I want you to also notice that Tessa's forearm is completely in line with the line of the actual cable itself. This is very important as I want the wrists, forearms, and elbows stacked in that straight line with the actual line of force, which is determined by the cable. What you'll notice is at the top of the rep, Tessa allows her shoulder blades to release upwards, and that's getting more length to the lat. But as she drives down into the bottom of the rep, she's depressing her shoulder blades down as she's driving her elbows down. But those forearms are always remaining fully stacked, keeping the elbows and wrists in line with the cable above her. This flared elbow position for this lat pull down is going to hit a little bit more of the upper lat fibers as well as your teres major. Make sure to pause for 1 second at the bottom and at the top of each rep.